Okay, in this video we changed the bumper on a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500 4.7. It's a fairly easy job. Let's see, I don't want to show the tag on there, but it's already installed. But what you'll have to do is, on each side you got two bolts here. You pop those out. You got the two bolts here, you pop that out. And you'll undo your license lights. You got a bolt here, and behind the license plate there's two bolts that come out, and then the same thing on the other side. It's fairly easy, but when you're putting it back together, you put the two license plate bolts in, but don't tighten them all the way up. And then you'll come under here, and if you got your bracket already on, because you have to put your bracket on. If you order the correct bumper, you'll get the bracket too. Make sure you order when it comes with everything. And you'll line it up with that, and there's a little tab that will stick in right here. And then you'll tighten these down. You'll leave these two here loose so you can have wiggle room to kind of make sure it's level. And that's about it. It's not real hard. I mean, you kind of got to fiddle with it to make sure everything's level. But once you get these done, and then you put this one in, and then you tighten up the two behind the license plate. You'll do the same thing on this side before you tighten these two up behind the license plate. Then you bolt them down, and you'll come back and you'll bolt these down. Well, actually, you can bolt this one down first. These will be the last ones you bolt down because you want your wiggle room here. Yeah, one person job. I did it by myself. Anyways, not a whole lot to it. Fairly straightforward. Like, share, subscribe, and have a good day. By the way, it took probably like 30 minutes to do this.